After doing a bunch of research, I decided to not buy a knockoff brand of these bags. So I got the name brand Anova. Let's open it up, install it for the first time. This is just the first one I've ever had, the one that came with the unit. And let's install it and just see what the first impressions are. All right, so you get 2 rolls in here. These are thicker. People would complain and say that if they got the knockoff brands, they didn't seal right. So I just went ahead and let's just do it right. It's not that much more expensive anyway. Okay, so you want let's get that first one off. You want the flap on the bottom. Just drop it in and then feed it underneath the arm and you're back in business. Woohoo! Make sure it closes. Yep, that's the right one. Cool, okay, love it, love it. This one is, oh goodness, it's 11 inches by 19.6 feet. So I've got almost 40 feet of rolls. I'm gonna put this to the test again, just so you can see it in action in case you've never used one of these, but man, I love this thing. I've been doing a lot of sous vide cooking and I've been doing a lot of freezing in the freezer, so this has been fantastic. All right, I'm gonna push past this little sticker here. Maybe I can just get it off. No, I'm gonna push past it. Actually, I'll just show you the process. All right, I'm gonna show you how this thing works, just in case you don't know. Put it under there, slide it, that cuts, and then pull it. I'm gonna bring it down here to the copper colored sealer here at the end, close the lid, hit seal, and it takes 5-10 seconds. And then I'll put a nice seal on the outside of the bag, and then I'll measure it to the proper length. And I'm gonna throw some chicken in here, and I'll just show you a little bit of footage, but mainly just wanted to show you that I got the Anova bag, and after doing a lot of research, get the Anova bag. Don't go with the cheaper one. I think you're gonna pay the price for that. A lot of people were really frustrated by the cheaper bags. All right, so there we go. Look at that beautiful seal. All right, I got 6 marinated, beautiful chicken breasts in there. Let's start by getting this to the right size. So the breast is about that big. So I'm gonna give it a little extra room. Go about right there. Now, slide this beautiful piece of chicken in here. It's got smoked paprika, salt, pepper, garlic. All right. Put it right there. Close it. And vacuum seal. Wait for the seal light to go off. This first one always takes the longest. All right, and there we go, vacuum and sealed. Enjoy. Again, just get the name brand. Save yourself the headache.